Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS CloudFront signed URLs for content access. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify AWS CloudFront signed URLs for content access, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudFront Service section from the Services menu. Select the distribution associated with the content you want to protect. Locate and click on the Behaviors tab to view your distribution settings. Identify the behavior linked to the desired content and click on Edit. Ensure that the Restrict Viewer Access option is set to Yes. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Make sure you have the AWS SDK for your programming language installed. You will need your CloudFront private key for signature generation. Use the key to create a policy statement that defines access permissions. Include parameters such as the resource URL, expiration time, and any required conditions. Now, generate the signed URL using the private key and the policy statement. Construct the signed URL carefully, ensuring all parameters are correctly encoded. Once the signed URL is created, you can attempt to access the resource using your browser. If the URL is valid and permissions are properly set, you should be able to view the content. For verification, monitor the response headers in your browser's developer tools. Look for any security errors or access denials that may indicate issues with the signed URL. You can also utilize logging options in CloudFront for further insight into access attempts. Test different expiration times and permissions to ensure all scenarios work as expected. By following these steps, you can successfully verify AWS CloudFront signed URLs for your content access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.